Hello, my lovelies. Welcome to Dear Denise Kitchen. This is blackberry ice cream, and that's what's on the menu today. The weather has been so hot lately, and we need something to cool down. So I've got this lovely blackberry ice cream for you. Now, in place of the blackberry, you can use raspberries or blueberries, any berries of your choice. So let's get into it. Can you see how delicious? Can you see how creamy this ice cream looks? You are going to enjoy it. Take my word for it. As creamy and delicious as it looks, the ingredients are very few. Okay, I do hope you try this, and when you do, tag me on Instagram. Okay, so we are going to just put our blackberries and honey over low heat and just cook this down. We are going to cook it down until the blackberries softens a bit, and then we are going to blend it. You will find all the list of the ingredients to make this ice cream in the description box, so do go ahead and check it out. If you're new here, you're welcome to Dear Denise Kitchen. Thank you so much for tuning in with us today, and we do hope you enjoy this ice cream. If you do, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be.
So don't worry if your blend is a bit lighter in consistency than my one. It's still going to be alright. So empty that and then pop it in the fridge to cool. And then we are going to start with the rest. Now we've just poured our cream in there, and I'm putting my measured out condensed milk.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah.
So I just added my cinnamon, and I'm adding my vanilla extract. This is the one I'm using today. And then we're going to whisk it. Now be very gentle when whisking. Start from the lowest, otherwise it's going to splash all over your kitchen. Okay, you can use a kitchen towel to cover the container whilst you whisk it to prevent it from spreading, and then when it gets a bit creamy, you can take it off. Now you're going to cream this down until it becomes thick and creamy. You can see all these ribbons in there. Can you see that? What you can see now? Yeah, you want something like that, and it's just a little bit more creamy. And then we're going to empty it into a 1 liter container, cover it, and refrigerate. Well, more like put it in the freezer.
Felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many.
So before we put it in the freezer, or before we freeze it, let's add our fruit puree to it. Now just go ahead and fold it in, just like you can see here. Fold it in whichever way you prefer, just to get the marble effect, sort of, to say, yeah, in the ice cream. I don't want it all mixing to give me a solid color. I just want it to fold in and give that marble effect, which I think is a little pretty, so yeah, go ahead, do whatever you have to do to get it all in mixed into your cream without it being all solid color. You know what I mean? Enjoy doing this. It's therapeutic. So yeah, if you want it to come out just like mine did, just go ahead and do it the way I did. I just basically folded it into it and then use the back of the spoon to sort of swirl around, and then that was it. We cover it up and then put it in the freezer to at least 4 hours of freezing, but you do check, and then when it's ready, you enjoy. So there we have it. Our ice cream is out of the freezer, and this is the effect we got, the marble effect I was talking about, but whatever you want to call it, that's fine. I just threw some of the fresh blackberries on top of it just to make it look a little presentable to you. Now mind you, I did leave those blackberries on top of it and froze it again, and when we had our ice cream with the fresh blackberries, I mean it was frozen by then, in there as well, it was really yummy. Bee enjoyed it. Look at that creaminess in the scoop. Oh my gosh. Well, we've come to the end of the recipe or this video. Thank you so much for staying with me. Ciao.